preparation. Our flat roof system is designed to adhere to a smooth, dry, clean timber deck. Arris rails are not needed, and we recommend fixing a 2x1 drip batten to all exposed perimeters. Ensure adjoining brickwork and chases are thoroughly swept and dust-free. Our unique two-piece Techno trim gutter profile has two identical sections designed to mate together and clamp the rubber in place. Align the top of the gutter trim approximately 5 mm below the top of the batten and fix in place with the plain fixings. The sharper section is the top, the curved section is the bottom. If you wish to leave the existing felt in place, we recommend overboarding with OSB or plywood.